Welcome to Honeybee channel. Hello children, can you find out the name of the bird from its shadow? Come, let's play. This is our national bird and a beautiful bird. What's it? Peacock. It is white in color and has short legs. What's it? Swan. This bird is a symbol of peace. Do you know it? Dove. It crows early morning. What is it? Rooster. This bird can see very well and it eats small birds. What's it? Eagle. It hunts only at night. Can you find it? Bat. This bird is active only at night. Can you find it? Owl. This bird has colorful feathers and taught to repeat words. Can you find it? Parrot. It has long legs and run very fast. Ostrich. It's the tallest bird and it has long legs. What's it? Crane. This bird has webbed feet for swimming. Do you know it? Duck. It's a large bird and can run quickly. What's it? Emu. This bird is very tiny and feeds on nectar. Do you know? Hummingbird. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more videos.